Interested in switching to an electric vehicle? The Consumer Council's new online tool compares the cost of charging an electric vehicle with fueling at the pump. Visit consumercouncil.org.uk and click on the EV Charging versus Fuel Costs button. Read the electric vehicle guide before using the tool, which is linked on the web page above the tool. When you've read the guide, answer yes or no on whether you have a petrol or diesel vehicle. If you answer yes, choose the type of fuel you currently use. Whether you choose petrol or diesel, enter how much you spend per month on fuel. We have selected petrol. Following this, select where you will charge your electric vehicle. You can always consult our guide for more information about charging options. After your selection, a drop-down will appear with sliders. You can edit your usage by moving the sliders, or you can use the default values provided. Choose your current electricity provider. We'll select Budget Energy. Answer how you currently pay your bill. We're going for Direct Debit e-bill. Choose your current tariff from the options provided. We've selected Bill Pay Q2 Fixed Price. An overview of your details will be provided. If you're happy with the overview, select the Get Your Cost Comparison Results button on the bottom right. The result for the difference in the electric charging cost compared to fueling your petrol or diesel vehicle will be provided. The tool also provides you with an alternative for home charging, helping you to save money. Check out the electric vehicle charging versus fuel cost comparison tool for free at consumercouncil.org.uk.